Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your calendar time zone in Yahoo Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Yahoo Mail and then select the calendar icon. It should be indicated by a little date icon. It actually will be today's date. Go ahead and just left click on that. And then you want to select where it says calendar full view. And now that we're in here, select the settings at the top right and select calendar options. Now where it says time zone, click inside the drop down and you can select the appropriate time zone from this list. And then once you're done, you should be able to just close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.